Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
A star will always be a Bollywood star, and we will always be more relatable to the people. So I think that's where we will never compete. Even if we make the best video ever, the funniest video ever, there will always be someone who won't find it funny.
They just always shocked. They don't understand the internet. So उनको ऐसा लगता है कि बस वीडियो बना देते हैं और पैसा मिल जाता है, इसका क्या मीनिंग हो. Heard people say that अगर मेरे बच्चे ये सब कर रहे होते तो मैं तो उन्हें कभी नहीं अलाउ करती, बिकॉज घर में इतना 6-7 घंटे शूट करना, ओ माय गॉड, कितना ज्यादा हेडेक होता है उसमें.
Because I wasn't good at speaking and I was shy in front of the camera. So I asked her to join because she was someone who would take part in all the events in school. Of course, it affected the number of friends I have today. Maybe I would have had more friends if I went out. So right now we are on a break and already people are messaging that बहुत पैसा कमा लिया लगता है, इसीलिए break ले रहे हैं, आजकल videos नहीं आ रही.
Hi guys, joining me for a conversation today is somebody who calls himself a chota mota YouTuber even after having like over 1 million subscribers. And we have with us the magical Gautami. First up, tell me guys, how is it like basically how did you guys come up with these Instagram bios? Because I want to begin by asking you that.
I think for me, the bio has been the same since we started. So I've never changed it. So I wrote it when I actually was a chota mota YouTuber, but just didn't feel like changing it.
And you, magical Gautami.
It feels like now you're making me feel like my bio is kind of funny. But yeah, I get those jokes in my DMs too sometimes. I saw this article about this model who was earlier really criticized and rejected by the modeling industry for being really dark and having curly hair, and this is something that she had said. So I really liked the quote and I thought that I can still relate because I get criticism on that level. So I thought, yeah, this quote maybe fits me and my profile.
Wow, that was deep. I was not expecting something like that, but it's amazing. So welcome to India Forum Slay Point. It's such a pleasure talking to you guys. I want to begin, like rewind a little bit and ask you, what did you actually want to become as children? Like, you know, because YouTuber was not something jo I assume कि आपने सोचा होगा. So what was it that you wanted to become?
Well, thank you so much for having us first on India Forums. And yeah, since childhood, I wanted to become a writer. Like I was a very soppy, emotional person and I wanted to write novels and stuff about emotions. So that was my initial plan.
Wow.
Yeah, and for me, I wanted to be an astronaut and then an aeronautical engineer. Then I just wanted to become a businessman and ended up doing YouTube. So yeah, it kept changing throughout.
So you clearly had some like different plans, and as
Yeah.
far as I know that you guys were like definitely very good at studies as well. So was it difficult to sort of like, you know, take the decision ki should we like continue with that or like take this up full time?
We haven't really taken the final decision yet. So we are still thinking about it. But yeah, it's tough because we feel that we have a career there as well. Like if we actually study more, we can do well there as well. So that's confusing for us and our parents as well. So,
Yeah, it's confusing. Like anything goes wrong and like a few videos perform badly, we just go like, okay, no problem. थोड़ा सा नए tabs खोल लेते हैं, थोड़े colleges के admission के देख लेते हैं. Like we have no problem going back. We keep our backup option all the time in case everything fails, because like why not? If you're good at something and one thing doesn't work, you have a different option.
Right, but you know, as they say that the digital space is booming and you know it's growing, talking to you all makes me feel that there is still so much uncertainty. You know, you guys are at a level where you can easily like, you know, presume कि नहीं कुछ ऐसा गलत नहीं होने वाला है. But being so mature about it is something that's amazing. And so do you get these like, you know, comments and all of that also, that you guys are so young Do you have tips for us and all of that, like from younger or probably newer YouTubers?
Yeah. We do get those messages a lot. So nowadays there are very young kids, like even people as young as 13 who want to be YouTubers, and so they come with a lot of advice, asking how did you convince your parents? What happened? What did they say? In a Q&A, we get asked that a lot. What is your parents' reaction? Do they watch? Do they even know you have a YouTube channel and things like that? So yeah, I get like what you're saying and your question.
Right. But how do you like sort of respond to it? Do you, because like a 13-year-old asking you is sort of a responsibility as well, you know, that somebody is putting that much faith in you, ki they are asking you for like a career advice or something like that. Is it pressurizing to give advice then?
Yeah, because it's very subjective, right? Because some people are good at studies, some people are not. So how do you advise them? Like for us, we were good at studies, thankfully, so we had to manage, and it was easy for us to manage because we had to do well in both the departments. But for
Right.
someone who's not interested in studies as much, or then he might do YouTube more and stop studying. So it's very difficult to give advice like that.
Yeah, and
Right.
it's not fair to just tell someone that yes, my channel worked out, so maybe you should quit studies too and get into
Yeah.
this, because if they're just starting out, nobody's sure how long it will take to be successful or if someone will be successful or not. And at children who are so young, it's hard to tell them anything. And we have always told in all of our Q&As that it is very important to complete your studies, like jitne point tak aap kar sakte ho, try and complete, because it's just better to have a backup option. And if your parents are upset, it's just better to impress them, like they need to be on your side, do your degree, and then do whatever you want to do together.
When was that point for you all? Like when did you guys start feeling ki, you know, like at least thoda bahut to we have accomplished and you know like we have become successful? Was it like a fan moment that you had? Yeah, anything like probably working with a brand or something. When was that moment for you all?
I think when we were invited for Fan Fest is when we realized that okay, we have some importance and we are someone in the community. Otherwise, I think gaining 1 million subscribers was also a big milestone for us. Like that was like okay, we have that M in front of our name. So finally, we have arrived, or we are there now in YouTube.
Like anytime when we are on stage and we hear all the people cheering, and you almost always expect, because YouTubers are normal people यार, जब तक आप घर पे बैठ के अपना वीडियो बना रहे हो आपको रियलाइज नहीं होता है जब तक आप बाहर नहीं जाओ या क्या है, एंड बाहर भी जाते हो तो there are so many people, not everybody will know you, only some people will. So at events like FanFest and Social Nation and stuff, when you go on stage, अंदर से तुम्हें लगता है कि यहाँ पे भी कौन ही जानता होगा, but the first minute when you like get on stage and everybody is cheering for you, that is when you feel like okay, maybe I am something.
Yeah.
Tell me the story behind keeping the channel's name as Slaypoint, and like how did you come up with the genre also? Like you know we want to make these kind of videos.
So the name Slaypoint was a result of us being lazy. That's the reality, because we just wanted something very similar to Silly Point. So that was the name of our channel before it was Slaypoint. That's how we started. So once we decided to change our genre from cricket, we decided to change our name as well, and that's where we wanted to keep a name that is similar to Silly Point. So we just called it Slaypoint. There's no logic or meaning, nothing behind it.
We just looked for a similar word and used it, and that time we didn't even know we were going to do comedy.
Right, but what made you sort of shift, like take that shift from cricket to more like a mainstream channel?
I think we were just finding ways of, we didn't know what we actually wanted to do. We just kept trying things that, okay, this works. Sometimes you would feel that this works, cricket works, but then it didn't work. Then with movie reviews, we started to get views. So we felt like, okay, let's do this for views. But then we weren't enjoying it. So finally, we were like, let's just make whatever we want to and just speak on different topics and the things that are wrong on YouTube. And that's how it started. And then that's how the comedy came into the channel.
Tell me also like what was the idea, like वो moment कब था कि चलो YouTube channel शुरू करते हैं, and मतलब किसका idea था?
I think मेरा ही था, and वो possible इस तो मेरा idea था, but because I wasn't good at speaking and I was shy in front of the camera, so I asked her to join because she was someone who would take part in all the events in school and she had a lot of stage experience. So इसलिए उसको लिया कि तू बोलना कैमरा के सामने, I'll give you the script, I'll give you all the details of cricket, but you speak in front of the camera, you be the host. So that's how she came into the channel. But yeah, it was my idea.
Right. But Gautami, were you like sort of skeptical in the start? Cause अब script मिल रही है, बस मुझे वही बोलना है. तो मतलब how is it really going to work and all of that? And why do I even do it in the first place? Cause it's his idea, let him do it type.
But we were friends, like him and some other friends from school. So we were friends for a while because he joined my school in the 10th grade and he had the idea to start the channel after the 12th grade. So we had known each other for 3 years. So at this point, I know that at least it's my friend, I can do this much for them. And सबको होता है थोड़ा सा कि YouTube channel हो, it'll be fun, let's at least try putting a video out there. And I didn't have a lot of pressure. Like he told you before that I just like to participate in everything and do everything. So for me, like, क्या जाता है, हर चीज की है, इसमें भी बोल देंगे, मुझे तो बस बोल के आना है, एडिटिंग ये लोग कर लेंगे, स्क्रिप्ट ये लोग दे देंगे, it'll be fun, like we'll have tried everything in life, so let's just do it. And I trusted them because they're my friends.
So how was the basically when you started, how were parents reacting कि क्या बना रहे हैं, like is it some sort of time pass that they're doing, and क्या था उनका reaction?
I think they didn't take it as seriously because it was like just 100 views, only our friends were watching.
Yeah.
So they would just take it casually. Yeah.
Right.
It
But-
only started becoming serious once we started getting views and then our channel got monetized. So that's when they realized, oh, it's actually something important.
But do they ever make you feel like you've arrived, or they're like ज़्यादा इतना कूदने की जरूरत नहीं है?
They might feel so, but they don't show it. They will always say, कि something ऐसा जिससे सर पे ना चढ़े. They'll always make sure that we are grounded. And home is always gonna be like home, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर is always gonna be true for anyone and everyone. So.
But now do you get like questions from relatives and friends कि like कितना पैसा मिलता है, कुछ पैसा कमाते भी हो क्या इसमें से, or how does it work? Something like, what is the funniest question that you gotten from someone?
I think I've heard people say that अगर मेरे बच्चे ये सब कर रहे होते तो मैं तो उन्हें कभी नहीं अलाउ करती, because घर में इतना 6-6, 7-7 घंटे शूट करना, oh my god, कितना ज़्यादा headache होता है उसमें. And I just felt like maybe कोई jealousy या कुछ हो उसमें. And of course कभी-कभी instead of just asking, जैसे you said ना कि पैसे मिलते भी है क्या, they will ask something like that on purpose because they just always shocked, they don't understand the internet. So उनको ऐसा लगता है कि बस वीडियो बना देते हैं और पैसा मिल जाता है, इसका क्या मीनिंग होता है. So it takes them a while, but now they are really getting a hang of it. And they also ask कि कोई जैसे एग्जाम्पल, मैं खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाती हूँ, मुझे बताओ ना कैमरा कैसे यूज करते हैं, एडिट कैसे करते हैं, मुझे भी यूट्यूब चैनल खोलना है. And now it's like थोड़ा flip side कि they also want to try to do something.
Right. We also see so many celebrities now, like we see Kartik Aaryan or there's Alia Bhatt, and all of them, they're starting up with their own channel. Where do you see this digital space, going? Because who would have expected that Salman Khan would be making like a music video for a YouTube channel?
Yeah. Definitely. We even spoke about it once on the channel, I believe. I think
they are realizing the reach that YouTube gives you. I think earlier they would just not get it because they are so used to the cinema distribution and everything. But the reach that YouTube gives you is very different, and also it's like you can reach the masses very easily. So I think that's why they are coming in. But a lot of people think we see them as competition, but it's not like that. A star will always be a Bollywood star, and we will always be more relatable to the people. So I think that's where we will never compete. They have their own genre, we have our own genre.
Right.
Yeah,
You
there's
know,
no point competing.
Yeah.
the segment that we are doing currently, like, we are in conversation for Road to Success, and I want to ask you that through this ride of your Road to Success, I'm pretty sure you must have seen some speed breakers. Kabhi aisa hua hoga that probably you have a fight, you feel like I don't want to work with him anymore, or sometimes your parents say कि like you said कि relatives कभी कुछ बोलते हैं, तो of course I'm sure you must be getting like demotivated or something. Tell me like a few speed breakers that you sort of had through the journey.
Yeah, we had a lot of speed breakers in terms of just choosing between studies and YouTube. That was always like a big thing because करना तो था. We were very sure that दोनों करना है, अच्छे से करना है. But करने के लिए everybody has 24 hours in a day. And then when you get to your bachelor's degree, both of us were doing, and when you get to your third year in your bachelor's degree, things get more serious. And I had taken psychology, so I had like extra lectures, practicals, and we had to do so many other things, projects and field work. And one of my teachers was also really particular about attendance. The college that Abhyuday is in, they are also very particular about attendance, and so we had to go every day, we had to study hard, and we had to still come back and make videos. We had exams, final exams come in between, and had to manage that. And then afterwards, when you do so well in studies, parents will always want you to do something that they are more certain about. They're very certain कि आप डिग्री करोगे तो आपको जॉब मिलेगा और स्टेबल हो जाएगी लाइफ. बट as we said, internet can be unstable at times. So वहाँ से भी थोड़ा सा resistance या हो जाता है कि understand करने के लिए same level पे आने के लिए also we had to like convince them a lot. That was definitely an issue. And yeah, इस सब में obviously fights तो होते रहेंगे because there's just so much stress around and panicking so much. So a lot of things keep happening all the time.
Yeah, and with college, then if a video doesn't do well, then that's even worse because then you can't even focus on your studies because all the hate comments keep coming in your mind. So just managing both of them and being mentally stable was I think the toughest part.
Yeah, totally.
Right. Because as you mentioned about the hate comments, and it's sort of mentally putting you down. How do you deal with it? Like what now? Because you've experienced it for years now. So how do you sort of take it? How do you deal with it?
I think it took us a long time, but we finally realized that whatever we do, we are gonna get hate anyway. No matter even if we make the best video ever, the funniest video ever, there will always be someone who won't find it funny. So I think if you keep that in mind and don't have the expectation of just pleasing 100% of the people, I think you will now stop being hard on yourself, and then hate comments will also not affect you as much. So I think it's very important to just realize that you can't please everybody, and you are just making videos. It's a very small thing. You aren't doing something that is changing the world. So I think it's very important to not take hate comments seriously then, because it's like, yeah, it's just a video, it's fine.
Yeah, it's just a comedy video, and it's just a YouTube channel. It's a business, and it's something that we have made with love, but it's made for entertainment. And if it fails to entertain a few people, it's all
right. Of course, it takes a lot of time to come to terms with this sort of a situation wherein people are sort of, putting negative comments. And YouTube pe I've also observed that the audience is not very like, ऐसा नहीं है कि Instagram की तरह कि people will come just follow you randomly. They put in a lot of thought before basically subscribing to a YouTube channel. It's a very conscious decision that they make. Do you feel the audience on YouTube can be way more critical compared to any other platform?
Yeah, definitely. I think the audience on YouTube, they feel like if when I'm on this app, I want work that is worth the time that I'm putting into this. So if I've clicked on a video, I want it to be worth my while. If I have hit subscribe on a channel, I wanted to always be the best or something like that. Like audience always has that expectation. People comment also in such a way कि मैंने आज तक किसी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, तो अगर आज मैं आपके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर रहा हूँ तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है और आपने मुझे काफी इम्प्रेस किया है, तो आगे मुझे कभी लेट डाउन मत करना एंड सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक दैट. सो people really do value their subscribe and they really value the time that they give to a creator. So they are very clear that they want something good, otherwise they are out. And that adds to the pressure, obviously.
Of course. You are very young. Matlab, you are just 21, 22, around that age. There are people our age, matlab 21, 22, because I'm 22, that's why I'm saying our age, is because, they sort of tend to have a more like chill life, like party hoti hai and basic like friends and all of that. Do you have a regret of missing out on that? Because I'm sure you miss out on that. So I won't ask you, do you miss out on that? Because you do. So tell me, are there regrets ki yaar party nahi ho pa rahi every Saturday? Probably you guys are filming while everybody is partying or like chilling in the canteen and all of that.
So I'm okay with that much. But yeah, of course, वो वैसा तो हो ही जाता था कि आफ्टर कॉलेज ऑल द किड्स हैव दिस हैबिट ना, थोड़ा 1-2 घंटे एक्स्ट्रा बाहर हैंग आउट कर लिया, बातें कर लिया एंड देन गो होम. बट वी वुड रश होम की वीडियो बनाना और वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन समथिंग.
What about you, Abhyuday? Because you were new also in school, so I'm sure you wanted to like have new friends and all of that when you had this idea.
Yeah, but I was never a party person, so I never minded. And I feel that making a good video and getting those good comments brought more happiness than actually going to parties. So that's why I never felt guilty about not being able to do it. But of course, it affected the number of friends I have today. Maybe I would have had more friends if I went out. So yeah, that's it.
But I think having lesser friends, but like spending money on your own and like buying things for yourself and family and all of that is something probably that gives you guys more happiness than having a social life. Of course. Tell me, when you started, what was the sort of benchmark that you guys had in your mind? Itna subscribers chahiye and then we'll be good.
I think there's no end to it. Like when you start, it's 100, you reach 100, then it's 1000, then it's 100k, then it's 500k, million. So it never stops. But yeah, the main goal was 100k was really special because we never thought we'd get the play button, that you get the silver play button after 100k subscribers. So that was the most special benchmark, and I feel that's when we got the most confidence that okay, we can do something on YouTube.
Right. I've also seen on your Instagram that you guys love to travel, and there are so many pictures that you've posted about traveling and all of that. Are you missing it, Abhi? Because like it's almost been like over 60 or 90 days since we've just been at home.
Yeah, we are totally missing it. I mean, we came back just 1 or 2 weeks before the lockdown started. And of course, we were really scared because coronavirus and stuff like that. But my God, like whenever we talk, even just like the last week we were talking, we were like, oh shit, yeah. We just before the lockdown, we were out roaming on the streets, looking at new things, beautiful places, and now we're just sitting at home. It's
Right.
like it feels like 2 different worlds that we were living in.
Yeah, now I can't even travel to her house because that's where we shot. So we can't even shoot together now. So it's
Tell me
really
how
bad.
difficult it is to sort of also maintain the consistency at the same time. क्योंकि YouTube पे you can't be like 3 महीने तक कोई video नहीं डलेगी. Of course, you have to produce content. Is it how difficult is it to sort of make content over like virtually?
I think it's really hard. I think the hardest part is moving on from a video. Like, for example, normally when we would upload a video, we would just go out the next day to just chill and hang out, and then that would help us move on quicker. But now, since you're just in your room all the time, you keep on thinking about the comments, you keep on thinking about the views, keep on checking everything, and it takes you a long time to actually move on and start with fresh ideas. So I think mentally it's very hard to recover fast and then come up with ideas faster. But yeah, that's the hardest part. So right now we are on a break, and already people are messaging that बहुत पैसा कमा लिया लगता है इसीलिए ब्रेक ले रहे हैं, आजकल वीडियोस नहीं आ रही, बट दे डोंट गेट इट दैट it's very hard to make videos in lockdown.
True.
Yeah, think कि लॉकडाउन है तो आपके पास और कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है तो आप वीडियो ही क्यों नहीं बना
Yeah.
लेते? It's like, you guys are feeling bad sitting at home and we are also humans. We are feeling the exact same thing sitting at home. हो जाता है, just sitting in the same like room, place all the time. We shoot in the same room where we ideate and where we have our bed and we sleep. So it's like वो work cycle से brain निकलता ही नहीं, तो you get tired like much faster in the lockdown and stuff.
Yeah.
True. Also another thing that comes because you guys are young is so brands when they approach you or fellow YouTubers otherwise also people, they're like कि अरे मतलब छोटे हैं, and like have you heard things because of people taking advantage of you because you are young and trying to sort of manipulate you at any point?
Like very early on, like in the initial first 2 years, we were anyway like just not too aware of the workings of being a YouTuber and behind the scenes and like कैसे काम होता है. We just genuinely didn't know. So that time we were stupid and we did make like some stupid mistakes and trusted the wrong people. But then eventually with time we came to understand why that was and why somebody was behaving like that, and वो भी kind of clear हो गया. So it's like you need to have spent a particular amount of time and to understand before you can judge anything. And we get that a lot, of course, with some brands. We are old enough, like we are 22, but still matlab because on our channel we keep things thoda low key. We don't like to use abusive language and we don't go really hard on people. We like to be sort of at least logical, if not polite, when we are criticizing something, which makes us seem like maybe younger or younger than we are. Yeah. So that's very few brands, but it affects brands sometimes, very rarely.
Amazing. It was such a lovely conversation. It was so insightful and a new vibe. Usually, when we talk to YouTubers, it's more like about content and all of that. But you, of course, bring in the whole young perspective, the college and everything. If you had to describe your road to success and how has the ride been in a few lines, tell me if you can just sum it up a little.
I would say it was a bumpy ride, but it eventually led to a beautiful view. And yeah, even like along the ride, everything was scenic around the road. Even though the ride was bumpy, everything was still worth it at the end of the day.
Yeah, really full of ups and downs and really unexpected because we never expected us to be making content in the first place and also comedy, and then getting 1 million subscribers as well. It was totally unexpected. And are full of ups and downs, but overall positive.
Right. And what would your message be to over 1 million people who've subscribed to your channel? They look forward to your videos. They give you all the love that they have.
Well, my message to them would be to just take care. It's like, I really hope nobody gets the virus. Nobody's family is badly affected by these times. And I just want them to, keep enjoying the content that we make on YouTube. As long as we are able to make them happy, we are happy.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing. Other personalities that the two of you have, it seems to be very opposite. Like, Gautami seems to be very like a extrovert, and you, Abhyuday, you seem to be very like a introvert, and but of course on camera it's completely different because the videos that I've seen and now that I talk to you, it seems like they are two different people. So like, of course, when the camera is on, the best comes out. Thank you so much, guys, for doing this. It was so much fun talking to you all, and take care of yourselves in this situation. Take care of your families. And we wish to see another video from your channel super soon, whenever you guys have the chance to basically shoot and put it up. And thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this conversation as well.
Yeah, we did. Thank you so much. And it was
Yeah.
really nice having like a fun game and everything and having a light-hearted conversation. So
Yeah.
thank you. It's been a pleasure to be on
Yeah,
India.
thank you for having us. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
Hi, this is Abhyuday from Slay Point, and you're watching me on India Forum.
Hi everyone, this is Gautami from Slay Point and you're watching me on India Forum.